With a heritage that goes back to 1927, it's no surprise that many of the world's most famous architectural, engineering, and construction landmarks across the globe have been built using Océ technical document systems. Hundreds of thousands of our wide-format systems turn out billions of prints every year, many designed for pure CAD printing. With every new generation, we focus on making it faster and easier for architects and other technical professionals to produce outstanding documents. Serious tools for serious technical users. In fact, our Océ PlotWave 500 was recently acknowledged best in class by the IF Gold Design Award, known as the Design Oscar, for their amazing beauty and simplicity. During this short demonstration, I will show you all the important aspects of one of the newest members of our large format family, the Océ PlotWave 345 and PlotWave 365 printing systems, a monochrome printer, color scanner, and copier. The perfect walk-up system that makes it easy for professionals to stay focused on their work and still get great-looking technical documents. We will show you how the PlotWave 345 and 365 can improve your document workflow by offering instant performance to help busy professionals get the most out of their day, easy tablet-like operation so anyone can easily get the best results, and a secure workflow that produces consistent and durable all-weather prints. This system is based on decades of experience and proven features from our range of award-winning printing systems. It helps you print faster, share faster, and finish projects faster. Designed for pure focus. Let's get started. Just like other members of the Océ PlotWave family, these printers work like a tablet thanks to our Océ Clear Connect multi-touch user panel. That means your staff will intuitively know how to use it when they see it for the first time. And true to its name, Océ Clear Connect makes the right connections to help you make the most of your day. Whether your files are on a USB stick, a network location, or in the cloud, just browse and print. You can also scan directly to virtually unlimited destinations in the cloud or your intranet. When you have a file on your mobile phone, use the Wi-Fi infrastructure of your company to access the Océ PlotWave 345 and 365 printers and print via the Océ Publisher mobile app. Or print from your desktop PC via Océ Publisher Select 2 to manage more complex document sets via the powerful drag-and-drop oriented template function. Nowadays, keeping your intellectual property and business assets secure is more and more important. The new PlotWave series offers secure login or smart card support. This feature prevents prints from remaining on the printer where unauthorized people could take them by accident. We even offer the option of letting users log in to their personal Uniflow queue. A special feature of the Océ PlotWave 345 and 365 systems is its top delivery tray. Located at a comfortable spot on the machine, you can easily pick up your prints. It's made of robust material and it neatly collates and stacks your prints to save time. It also prevents them from getting torn or damaged. Each print is separated on a cushion of air as it comes out of the machine to keep them from curling up or pushing other prints into the floor. When you need to print a large job or multiple jobs, you don't have to wait around to catch your prints. Just use the Océ delivery tray that can automatically stack up to 150 sheets up to 42 inches wide. Put the Océ delivery tray next to the top delivery tray to extend your output capacity even more. Also very practical time savers are the inline folder options, which generate quality folded documents automatically so you can keep your desk clean and organized. The large format folded documents are easy to archive or to take along, saving you time from having to fold manually large plots. You can choose from the inline 2400 fan fold to fold extra long plots or the 4311 full fold. Scanning is just as powerful as printing on the Océ PlotWave 345 and 365. Save time scanning in 3 easy steps. First, you insert your original and then select the applicable template, and step 3, select Scan. You can easily check what you're scanning with the live preview on the Océ Clear Connect multi-touch user panel, and you don't have to wait until your printer is ready. You can scan and print at the same time. Océ Color Image Logic technology compensates for some of the shortcomings that CIS scanners may face with regards to wrinkles, paper folds, and light colors. It splits the original image into several layers, eliminates the wrinkles in an image, and reinforces weak information in colors. This results in high-quality color scans. Copying works in the same easy way. Insert the original face up anywhere on the scanner. The system automatically selects the paper size and appropriate paper roll. Then press the green copy button for immediate first-time right results. Thanks to Océ Color Image Logic, the most difficult originals come out looking great. The Océ PlotWave 345 and 365 print quickly and reliably, saving you costly man-hours with the instant-on performance of Océ Radiant Fusing technology. It starts printing from idle mode in less than 40 seconds, compared to a slow startup of 4 minutes for conventional printers. Imagine saving 4 minutes every time you print. That can easily free up to an hour a day just in printing delays. There's another important advantage. We make sure the PlotWave 345 and 365 come up to operating temperature instantly when applying toner to paper. When the printer is in idle mode, it's cold and uses almost no energy, cutting your energy costs in half. With the PlotWave 345 and 365, you don't make a trade-off between speed and energy consumption. The combination of specially developed toner and our contactless fusing technology guarantees high-quality black and white prints that are durable and fully weatherproof, ideal for the CAD environment. Avoid sending your files to an external printer and save time and money with this workhorse. With up to 2 rolls of media and a printing speed of up to 6 A1 or D size prints per minute, it can print up to 360 sheets per hour unattended. The system also supports a full range of media, including FSC and recycled media. Smart multitasking saves you even more time. Scan while printing and copy while printing to become even more productive. Just about everyone has to change media rolls, so we've automated as many steps as possible to make it easy. No need for an extra table to hold your paper rolls or to balance heavy rolls of paper. Simply open the drawer and place your new roll of paper on the loading station. Remove the empty paper roll and put the new roll on the sturdy holder. Then click it into place and feed the paper into the machine. The machine does the rest for you. It automatically feeds the paper into the paper path and registers the size of the roll. Just press a button to cleanly cut a first strip off the roll. One aspect of reliability is making sure that you get exactly the same quality day after day, print after print, so you avoid losing information because of poor originals or drawings with color corrections. The PlotWave 345 and 365 offer the next evolution in print quality that's even better and more consistent than older printers. It features the latest generation of print heads and an improved process unit. It produces high-resolution 600 by 1200 dpi pico printing quality for the most demanding sets of plans. Extra dots are added where needed to make area fills and gray levels smoother. Another aspect of reliability is the design of the system itself. The Océ PlotWave 345 and 365 are constructed of robust and durable materials that withstand intensive use and have a long and productive lifetime. Critical components such as the imaging drum and other moving parts are completely enclosed. This protects them from contact with dust and other elements such as direct user access. Also, the integrated scanner is fully separated from the engine to make sure the engine's heat cannot affect its performance. This increases the already long lifespan of the PlotWave 345 and 365 even more. Designed to work side by side with people, the Océ PlotWave 345 and 365 are a people-friendly and planet-friendly choice. It produces the lowest ozone emissions, lowest level of noise, and low levels of heat compared to conventional systems. In fact, this system is totally silent in idle mode and generates only 52 dBA of noise when working. That's the sound of a gentle rain shower compared to a noisy vacuum cleaner that other systems sound like. This means you can place this system in the corner of an office or anywhere else, knowing your people can work comfortably nearby. The Océ PlotWave 345 and 365 also provide the lowest energy usage in its class, thanks to Océ radiant fusing technology. This cuts your energy consumption in half. Your biggest chance of inhaling unhealthy toner comes when you're changing toner bottles. That's why we have a completely closed toner system, clean and simple. The toner compartment is located at an easy-to-reach spot on the top of the machine, so toner stays inside the machine and off your hands and clothes. The bottles are designed so they're easy to handle and store. As today's technical documents get larger and more complex, you need a printing system that gives you the power to handle them as efficiently as possible. Our productive power sync controller at the heart of the system makes this happen without having to sacrifice on performance. Whether it's the what you see is what you print behavior of the driver, the full zoom preview function of the Clear Connect panel, or the ability to handle complex PDF files, the Power Sync controller ensures all activities happen in sync and without delay. It runs on a Windows 8 embedded platform, offering the latest security features to protect confidential documents. Thanks to new features like disk encryption, a removable hard disk, and even security card-enabled print workflow, the new PlotWave series is one of the most secure systems in its segment. The open interface of the PowerSync controller allows it to fit smoothly into your existing software and hardware. You can even install additional software like Uniflow on the controller, which can then be operated via the Océ Clear Connect user panel. You don't have to worry about missing a critical deadline because you can now send files securely to your printer from anywhere. The Océ Clear Connect software suite gives you more flexible ways to submit files to the printer. Print from your desktop via the standard Océ Publisher Select 2 to manage complex document sets. Print from your tablet when you're rushing to a meeting, or print the files stored in your cloud. Knowing you can print when you need to takes some of the stress out of your workday. The powerful PowerSync controller guarantees that the printer will always perform even in busy workgroup environments. Meet the highly intuitive Océ wide format printer driver for Windows. It makes it much easier to print complex drawings correctly the first time from your software programs. Simply press print and select the Océ WPD2. Choose the exact printing options you need, such as type of media, size of media, etc. It includes a what you see is what you print preview that clearly displays the position of the drawing on the media and highlights potential errors that might occur with your selection, like misplaced fold lines or an error in the size of the document. Just correct your selection and press print. This helps you avoid costly mistakes and wasted time. Océ Publisher Express is easy to use, web-based job submission software for large format printers. It helps you create, print, and manage jobs in an intuitive way. Standard included Océ Publisher Select 2 is a powerful, productive, Windows-based job submission software for more complex jobs on large format printers. It helps you to create, print, and manage sets of technical documents in an intuitive way, maximizing convenience and efficiency for all your day-to-day large format printing. An interactive preview shows you the effects of the settings that you select and how your image will be printed. This is your guarantee for perfectly printed output. Publisher Select 2 is designed for multiple users without additional cost. With Océ Publisher Mobile, you can print your PDF, DWIF, PLT, JPEG, and TIFF documents to Océ plotters. Reprint your documents, scale your plots, access the main settings, view the queue, media, and toner status of your plotter anytime, anywhere. Available in 20 languages for your iOS and Android platforms. In summary, the Océ PlotWave 345 and 365 offer you instant performance to help busy professionals get the most out of their day, easy tablet-like operation so anyone can easily get the best results, and a secure workflow that produces consistent and durable all-weather prints. Based on decades of experience and proven features from our range of award-winning printing systems, it helps you print faster, share faster, and finish projects faster. For more information, please visit our website or contact us.